In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to your account in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can secure your account with confidence. First, make sure you're signed in to ChatGPT on your computer or mobile browser. On the main screen, look toward the bottom left corner of the interface. You'll see your account menu there. This might show your profile picture, initials, or a small menu icon. Click that area to open the menu, and from there, choose Settings. If you're on a smaller screen, Settings may appear as a gear icon, but it leads to the same place. Inside Settings, find and select the Security section. This is where ChatGPT keeps all the options related to protecting your account. In the Security panel, look for the Password area. If you already have a password set, it may say something like Change Password. If you don't have one yet, especially if you originally signed in with Google, Apple, or another provider, you should see an option labeled Add. Click Add. A prompt will appear asking you to create a password. This is your moment to choose something strong and memorable. Aim for a password with a good mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, ideally at least 12 characters long. Avoid common words, birthdays, or anything that could be guessed. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and save a secure password so you don't have to remember it manually. Once you've typed your new password, double-check for typos. Confirm that it meets any requirements shown on the screen. Some systems will indicate when your password is strong or if it needs more characters or variety. When you're satisfied, click Continue to save it. Depending on your account status, you might see a brief confirmation message. If the interface asks for any quick confirmations, simply follow the on-screen prompts. That's it. You've added a password to your ChatGPT account. From now on, when you sign in directly with your email, you can use this password. If you ever need to update it, return to the same security section and look for the option to change it. As a quick recap, open the account menu in the bottom left, go to Settings, open Security, select Password, click Add, create a strong password, and hit Continue. Interfaces can change over time, so if something looks a little different, the steps are still the same in spirit. Settings, Security, then Password. Thanks for watching and stay secure.